Hi, this is the demo for Railtel Cloud's DR setup. So the agenda is to first demonstrate how the DR setup is done currently, and we have done some trials. So I'll just be explaining what is the trial which we have done already, and then followed by demonstration of failover to Bangalore region, and then fail back from Bangalore region to Secunderabad region. So that is what I want to demonstrate now. So let me first start by explaining what is there currently, and then yeah. So let me just log into the Bangalore region, which is the primary region. So I've created a project called PMO, and this is the project which we are going to use for the demonstration. So what we basically do is, as a process, what we have to do is, for any new customer who's onboarding the Railtel Cloud, we have to create the project and username and in the Secunderabad region, and immediately we have to create the same similar project for the customer in the Bangalore region as well, so that if because we want everything to be matching, so it can't be like for a customer a project is created in Secunderabad with a different name and in Bangalore in a different name, which will lead to confusions. So what we have already done is we have created the project called PMO in Secunderabad and in Bangalore as well. Okay, so the demo in Secunderabad I'll be showing using Skyline UI. Meanwhile, in the demonstration for the Bangalore region, I'll be showing it in horizon. Okay, this is what we see currently in Secunderabad. We can see two VMs already running for almost like 5 days now, for which we have already set up the DR. I'll show you the high stacks panel. So this first section is where we can see the currently running machines in Secunderabad. The same two VMs which I showed you in Skyline is running here, and any new machine created in that project, followed by agent installation, successful agent installation, automatically it will be discovered here in Hystacks, and it will be in unprotected state. So after that we have to start creating the replication, starting the replication, and the initial replication will take some time, and once it is fully replicated into the Bangalore region, it will be in the protected state, and we can change the replication settings and retention settings based on whatever RPO and RTO we are agreeing to. Okay, so for example, and once these VMs are in protected state, next thing is what we have to do is we have to create a DR plan. So for these two virtual machines, we have a DR plan already created, which will be something like this, wherein you can rank the preference or the priority of these machines uh, based on our requirement, and say mention what is the flavor which is to be used in the Bangalore region for spinning of machine there, which is the network to be used there, and the subnet details, everything here, and name the DR plan something like this, and save it so that we have all the details for the DR failover ready. Once this is there, then we can run this DR plan, and you can see the cloud site. We have run it two times, so two different DR sites are running, and this DR plan gets executed, and this DR site comes into a running stage. So uh, when it comes to a running stage is when it successfully replicates failovers to the Bangalore region. This is the Bangalore dashboard, and you can see the same two machines got created here also. Okay, you can see two times because we have run it, restored it two times using two uh, different restore points. So that's why we see two different versions of same two virtual machines. Okay, so based on whatever whichever is the restore point which is required, we can restore it accordingly. This is just for trial, so we done it two times, so you can see the same machines recreated two times. Okay, so now once you have a DR failed over VMs run in a running state, we can also uh, set up the fail back mechanism. So what we have done is we have created another project called CUST1 customer 1, and in Secunderabad again back for failover, and we have sorry failback, and we have successfully failed back, and it is in a synchronized state. Okay, so since we don't have another OpenStack site, we are failing back to Secunderabad again. If we want to fail back to another cloud site, say you have a VMware setup already, we can also fail back to a VMware EXSI server also. So we have multiple options. For time being, we are all dealing with these two regions of Secunderabad and Bangalore only. So the fail back also is to the Secunderabad region into a different project called CUST. That's why I named it failback to CUST1. Okay.